Recently, someone called my office from South Carolina, and they were receiving workers' comp benefits. They could not go back to their old job, and they had yet to be had a hearing to try to settle their case in front of a judge. In order to prevent the settlement from being as large as the company wanted it to be, they hired a vocational expert to come and supposedly do an assessment of that person and use that assessment to say that person really could go back to work when they really can't go back to work because their injuries are too severe. A vocational counselor hired by an insurance company at times is a wolf in sheep's clothing. If you get contacted by someone like this, it's a red flag that things aren't good and that you need an experienced South Carolina workers' compensation attorney to help you determine whether this vocational counselor is doing their job properly or is being influenced too heavily by the workers' compensation carrier. A lot of these vocational counselors rely on referrals from insurance companies, and if all of their referrals come from insurance companies, inherently they have bias, meaning that it's just there. Money creates bias. If they depend on referrals from insurance companies for their vocational counseling work, it's going to be hard for them not to have bias. If you're in this situation, contact our office, contact an experienced South Carolina workers' compensation attorney such as myself to help you deal with this vocational counselor and deal with the insurance company and the adjuster so that we can protect your rights and protect your family and get you the settlement that reflects the real disabilities that you truly have, not something that workers' comp just wants to claim that you should have and not pay you much. Call our office to protect your rights.